Before Hubble, much of the night sky appeared as little more than distant, blurry points of light. Orbiting above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble captured the universe with remarkable clarity, revealing breathtaking cosmic landscapes rich in detail. Stars were shown as immense nuclear furnaces, each following a life cycle that spans millions or even billions of years. Their light acts as a messenger from the past, allowing astronomers to observe events that occurred long before humanity existed. Galaxies, once seen as faint smudges, emerged as vast systems shaped by gravity and time. Hubble revealed their spiral arms, dense central regions, and glowing stellar nurseries, showing that galaxies constantly evolve through collisions and gravitational interactions. Nebulae appeared as spectacular clouds of gas and dust. Some are regions where new stars are born, while others are the remains of dying stars, illustrating the endless cycle of cosmic creation and destruction. By looking deeper into space, Hubble also looks back in time. Since light takes billions of years to travel across the universe, every distant object represents an earlier chapter of cosmic history. Hubble has observed ancient galaxies, powerful supernovae, and the extreme environments surrounding supermassive black holes, revealing a universe that is active and constantly evolving. Hubble has also made major contributions closer to home by studying our solar system. Among its most closely monitored worlds is Mars. Over decades of observations, the telescope has tracked seasonal changes, shifting clouds, shrinking and expanding polar ice caps, and massive dust storms that can engulf the entire planet. One of the largest occurred in 2001, hiding the Martian surface for months. The telescope has also monitored Phobos, the larger of Mars' two moons, helping scientists understand its slow inward spiral caused by tidal forces. Over millions of years, Phobos is expected to either break apart or eventually collide with Mars. Beyond Mars, Hubble has improved our understanding of the asteroid belt, revealing it as a dynamic region where collisions and gravitational interactions continually reshape countless rocky bodies. Through these discoveries, Hubble has revealed a profound truth. The universe is not static. Stars are born and die, galaxies collide and evolve, and planets change over time. With every observation, Hubble reminds us that the cosmos is a living, ever-changing place, and humanity has only begun to uncover its greatest mysteries.